Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today we will dive into the detailed process of repairing the Asus TP470E motherboard. To start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and thermal paste. These tools will be essential for a thorough and safe repair. First, power off your device and unplug it from any power source. Remove the back cover using the Phillips screwdriver. Carefully unscrew all the screws, making sure to keep track of their locations. It's a good practice to place them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the back cover is off, you'll notice the internal components of the motherboard. Before we proceed, it's vital to clean the internal area to remove any dust or debris. Use compressed air to blow out any dust, especially around the fans and heat sinks. This will ensure proper cooling once the device is operational again. Next, we'll focus on the motherboard itself. If you see any damaged components like capacitors or connectors, they will need to be replaced. For this, you will need a soldering kit. If you're not comfortable with soldering, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help identify the exact issues. After replacing any faulty components, apply thermal paste to the CPU. This step is crucial for heat dissipation. Carefully place a small amount on the CPU surface and spread it evenly using a plastic card or your finger wrapped in a plastic bag. Now, reinsert the motherboard into the chassis. Before securing it with screws, double-check all connections to ensure everything is plugged in correctly. If you're unsure, you might want to consider our quote before repair service, which provides clarity on possible costs involved. Once everything is in place, secure the motherboard with screws. Replace the back cover, making sure all screws are tightened properly. This is a critical step to avoid any rattling or potential damage. Before powering on the device, take a moment to review everything. If you don't have the tools or feel overwhelmed, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the repair process hassle-free. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your doorstep. Finally, plug in your device and power it on. Monitor the boot process and check for any errors. If the device runs smoothly, congratulations! You have successfully repaired your Asus TP470E motherboard. If not, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Thanks for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.